Hi, so I'm going to make bird toys with my friend Ileana. I can't show her face. And my friend Sophia.
Eat marshmallows. No, love marshmallows and eat chocolate.
Yeah, okay. And so we're going to make toys for my bird paradise.
Out of craft sticks.
Yeah, out of craft sticks.
Craft sticks.
And hot glue and all that. So we'll get back to you when we figure out what we're going to make. Yeah, figure out what we're going to make. We're going to make like kind of a stars kind of.
Stop!
Yeah, they
So we're gonna make kind of.
they have issues.
So we're gonna make a kind of star-like figure for the
We're
bird.
making a house.
So
No, we're not going to make a house.
for the
We're
bird.
Yeah, for our bird, seriously.
Shush. The ingredients we're gonna use are these
Ingredients?
popsicle sticks
And green. We're not making
And-
food here.
and the hot glue or glue. And we're just gonna make the figure of a carry-around star, so the bird can carry it around in its mouth.
we
If you
gonna glue
if you have a smaller sort of bird, you can just cut these in half and use that to
Are
make
we
a
gonna
star.
glue it?
Also,
No, we're just gonna keep it
if we-
together like
if
that.
we-
They have issues.
if we have time, we're gonna make a structure-like house that has a couple sticks on each side and a sort of thin roof so that the bird can go under. Oh, let's play I think the bird's ready to come over here. Look at the bird.
Are you sure the bear doesn't like you?
Bye, paradise.
Fun. It likes me.
No.
Paradise. Ow!
Yeah, they fight a lot.
So we're gonna go and we're gonna get some glue for our sticks. So let's go ahead and go get those.
Okay. So
Sticks?
Sophia,
Are
let me
you-
tell you something.
Yeah.
Have an issue? Here's a tissue.
Okay. So each of us are gonna make our own stars out of these sticks with this hot glue
Thanks for
gun.
interrupting
So
me.
you're welcome. So I'm gonna make my own star out of I think 5 sticks. So to make your own star, you're just gonna make an X.
Then we can paint it after.
Then you're gonna put a line on each side to make an asterisk kind of shape. Like
Wow, so many big words.
I don't know these big words.
Me neither.
an asterisk is like kind of like an emoji.
I like emojis.
You guys are getting your topic things.
Wait, that's a horrible star that we're trying to make. I was about to make one of those stars that go.
Whatever you want. I'm just
Oh,
making
like
a
the
simple
stars
star.
that go like woo 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 woo.
Oh, I'll make a cross. I'll make some crosses.
As long as it's for paradise.
Yeah.
There's no glue coming out.
Well, because you have to wait for it to get. Plus, I need new sticks. I don't know where my other sticks went, but you have to wait for it to get hotter.
How much?
You just plugged it in, dude. Gosh. Okay, so right now, I'm trying to look for the hot glue gun. The hot glue gun sticks, but I cannot find them because everything gets lost in my room.
True. Like my dignity.
That is true.
Literally, my dignity got lost in
I think I spoiled from glue.
here. You're just like my brother. He actually ate glue.
That is really good.
I've already formed my star.
Did you just like put it all across?
Shut up. I've already formed my star.
No, don't put it all across.
I think it looks
Just
great.
put it halfway.
So I suggest
Put it like in
I
she's
suggest
the devil. That's why
I
she doesn't want to show her face.
I suggest
Just
that
put it in the middle.
you wait for it to
Okay.
heat up, or you wait for it to cool down and dry all the way, and make sure you're trying to seal as much as you can because your bird might want to eat it.
What if they have a hamster?
Yeah.
Then make a different item. Maybe you shouldn't make it out of wood if it's a hamster.
No, hamsters actually like wood.
So won't they eat it?
Well, I guess, but it doesn't matter. They're fine.
So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and form my house.
Oh, where's the paradise? So Sophia got her cross finished.
Hi, I'm Sophia. I got my cross finished. It's kind of lopsided, but you know. It's a cross. It's from Paradise the bird. I go put it on Paradise's thing. Yes, crazy.
Wait, what did I say?
I don't know what you said. I wasn't listening.
Wait
to
for it to cool down so the bird doesn't eat the hot glue.
Okay, and then when I was looking for the glue sticks,
Here, right here,
I
well,
found
that's
this
how
that I made a long time ago, and I put it like in food coloring, and I made like really cool tie-dye stuff, which I don't know what I'm gonna use that for.
I'm gonna go to house now.
Hey, so I can't find the rest of the glue for the hot glue gun. So I guess we're just going to be using this glitter glue.
Ooh, glitter
I
glue.
think it's non-toxic. I don't know.
I can eat it.
Oh yeah, it's non-toxic. But I don't think it tastes very good.
Dying.
Mine is
Wow, yours is so much better. Wow.
Oh,
Wow.
look at mine sticking together.
Wow, yours are just so much better, Ileana.
I was just having a rough time.
Karma.
Again?
No, the same one still hurts. Oh, crud. We ran out of glue.
We did what now?
Yeah, because I can't find the rest of the glue. That's why I said use this.
Glitter glue. It's not gonna work as good as this glue.
I just have one more.
Yeah, well, at least it'll be glittery. Glitter fixes everything.
Oh my god, we can use this! Okay, do you have any full tubes of glue?
I don't think that exists in my house.
Please.
Do you have any multiple packages of glue? Because I know how to make slime with glue.
I love slime. I made that once at school.
Graveyard Girl did it. Go look it up.
That's too far.
Okay, then we'll do it after.
Okay, so I kind of think that they kind of got, like, I don't even know what they're doing anymore.
I built
But
platform for the
that's
for
the
cross.
star over there, like right there. And then that's her platform, Ileana's platform.
You want to know my
Okay, and
slime
that's
doesn't
her
look like
platform.
this.
Wow, and wow,
No!
they're being very weird right now.
Well, then don't hit mine again.
Ooh, is that a threaten?
Threaten?
Threat.
Is that a threat?
No, yeah, it is. Because it's not threatening. You know. For you viewers at home, if you are 6 and under, do not say threat. Is that what did you say again? Oh, you said, was that threatened? That makes no sense.
I said threaten. I didn't say threatened. I said threaten.
You said threatened first. I heard you.
I said threaten, not threatened.
Okay, so do never make that mistake, or else you will be dumb, and then everybody will laugh at you. Okay?
What kind of 6-year-old would be just, oh, I'm looking all over YouTube. What's on YouTube?
Oh, look, it's this channel. Let's watch this. Oh, threatened. Oh, she's saying not to ever say threatened. Oh.
My 6-year-old cousin can search and spell Think Noodles. So,
Can spell what?
Think Noodles. It's a YouTuber. He's been searching on YouTube since he was 5.
Whoa.
He's like a prodigy.
That's extreme.
Too extreme.
Okay.
Hey.
She's so concentrated.
So the outcome was this. It's not as great, but if you're very artistic, which I'm not, then you would definitely come out with more of an artistic measure.
See, no.
Okay, so this is mine. See. Oh heck no, girl!
I didn't break it, you did!
So this is. Let's not glue it. You know it still has glue in it?
That was such good aim.
Why did that hit like right? Like, I'm not gonna talk.
I got a survey for your birdie for your...
Oh,
Alright, so I think we are done here. We got a little kind of.
okay, so this is the Father, Son, Holy Spirit, my platform, which is supposed to be on.
I want to see.
I want to see what the writing looks like to the camera.
Alright, so bye.